Let's say I'm playing this E sharp 5 sharp 9 chord, right? Well, if I'm thinking with that framework of E sharp 5 sharp 9, I understand that this has a scale, like the whole tone scale that's related to it. And so what I may do is I may play a whole tone scale, right? Related to this E sharp 5 sharp 9 chord. So it'll be like this. Or okay. So I want you to understand you can treat each of those chords differently. With the G sharp diminished chord, I may start to think within the diminished scale, right? So okay. So I want you to think of those chords as their own unit